Assalamualaikum students. Today we have to do exercise 10.4 question number 3. The question is, in the figure, measurement of angle B is equal to measurement of angle D, means these two angles are equal to 90 degree. These two angles are of 90 degree and AD side, this side AD is congruent to the side BC, and we have to prove that ABCD is a rectangle. So according to given, angle B is congruent to angle D and both are of 90 degree, and these two sides AD side is congruent to the side BC. As we have to prove that this is a rectangle, so you should know that what is the definition of rectangle. Actually, in rectangle, there are four sides and all opposite sides are congruent and all the angles are of 90 degree. As angles are already 90 degrees, so we have to prove the one remaining thing, that is the side AB is congruent to the side DC in this rectangle ABCD in this figure. Okay, we have to prove that this is a rectangle, and to prove this rectangle we have to prove that these two opposite sides are congruent. So during construction, what we have done, we have joined point A with C, and in this case we have got these two triangles. So in proof, we have to make two columns, one for statements and the other for reasons. And here you can see that we have two triangles, triangle ABC correspondence with triangle CDA, ABC with CDA. So in these two triangles we are going to take correspondence, and in these two triangles, the first thing which we have already in given, that angle B is congruent to angle D. Angle B is congruent to angle D, which is given. Then BC side, this side BC is congruent to the side AD. Okay, it is also in given. So the reason for this statement is given. Then you can see that this side AC, this AC side is the common side of these two triangles. So AC is congruent to AC, and the reason for this statement is common. Thus triangle, therefore, this is the sign of therefore. Therefore triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle CDA. As in this case, one 90 degree angle along with their hypotenuse and one of their corresponding side are congruent, so HS postulate will be used over here. As I have told you that HS postulate is used when the hypotenuse and any one side of a right triangle are congruent to the hypotenuse and the corresponding side of another right angled triangle. So here, as these two triangles are right angled triangles and the angles these two angles are of 90 degree, this is hypotenuse and this is one of their corresponding side, so we have to use postulate, HS postulate. When the triangles are congruent, then their corresponding sides automatically become congruent. So the side AB is congruent to the side DC, corresponding sides of congruent triangles, and these angles will be also congruent. So as all the opposite sides are congruent and their angles are also congruent, therefore ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, and this is the whole thing we have to prove in this question. You have to learn this properly. Okay, thank you.